All right, now we're going to write a quadratic function in factored form. So here's the formula for factored form. It's a times x minus p times x minus q, where p and q are the zeros. So if you come over to the graph, we're just going to put a little point on the two zeros. We can see that there's two. One is at -1, and one is at 4. And I know I wrote down x here, but either one of these could work for p or q. So I'm just going to change this one for p, and this one over here for q. And we're just going to put that into our factored form over here. And again, the main thing that we need to look at is that the a is a positive because it's opening up. And we don't really have, I mean, we could go ahead and guess that this is the information here. This is a -4. It looks like the y-intercept, but we're just going to focus on the zeros here. So this is a positive a, and it's going to be x minus, and the p is -1, so it's now a minus 1 plus 1, and then x minus, and then the q over here is a positive 4. So we know that our factored form has to have this information in it. It has to have a positive a value, and the two factors need to be x plus 1 and x minus 4. Now let's just assume that -4 is one of the points. So I'm just going to put a little x right here if we're going to go one step deeper. That means that the y value is -4 when x is 0. So let's do that one extra step. If y is -4 when x is 0, okay, and let's just go ahead and multiply this out. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 minus 4 is -4. And so this is -4 is equal to -4. So we know that this a value up here is just going to stay the same. It's just going to be 1. So we could actually fill this out all the way. We can write this as y is equal to, we can put a 1 in the front or just leave it as so. It's implied x plus 1 and x minus 4.